So guys, we just landed in Vienna and we're going to show you how to get to the city center in the fastest and the cheapest way.
As you walk through Vienna Airport, you will see a lot of advertisements for the city airport train or CAT.
This may seem like the only option or even the official one, but there's another, more flexible and much cheaper way to get to the city center. Instead of heading to the CAT, look for these ÖBB ticket counters. Here you can buy tickets for the trains that connect to multiple stations in Vienna, not just a single destination like the CAT train.
At these machines, simply choose your destination station in Vienna. Unlike the CAT, you have the flexibility to go to various locations across the city. To Vienna, it costs €4.50. Here, you can pay either by cash or by card.
Throughout the platform, you will find these information screens where you can find the train's departure time and the platform they're on.
So we're down on the platform right now, and the CAT train, which you can see is right across, so it's on the other platform, goes 2 times per hour, once at 8 past and once at 38 past, whereas the normal city trains go every 15 minutes, I would say, and there's multiple different trains you can take. The CAT train goes to Wien Mitte, so we're actually gonna time how long it takes us from here to the same station with the regional train, so you can see the kind of time difference and what is worth it for you.
The ÖBB trains are comfortable and a great value for money. However, keep in mind that they can get quite crowded, especially during peak hours, and delays might occasionally happen. But overall, this is one of the best ways to travel from the airport to Vienna.
So we just got to Wien Mitte station, which is the same station that the CAT train leaves you at. And we took exactly 22 minutes. So it's 6 minutes difference for €12 difference. If you go there and back, which you're obviously gonna need to, that's €24 difference. So we would definitely recommend doing that route.
So, there you have it.
The ÖBB train
Fast, affordable, and convenient.
is the perfect way to start your journey in Vienna.